Greetings. In this course, we're going to spend time thinking about how consumers and producers behave. Consumers have certain rules in their head. They think about what it costs them to buy the product. Producers think about what it costs them to produce the product. The whole issue here is scarcity. We don't have enough to go around, and in this course, we're going to establish the rules about how markets determine this rationing process, how markets control the rationing process using prices. Products that are very scarce, price will drift up. That drifting up in price will cause some consumers to say, it's not worth it to me. I'm not going to keep giving up all those green sheets of paper. At the same time, the higher price will attract more producers into that sector, which is a good thing, okay? And so price will use its magic to try and get some people out, get more people in to solve the scarcity issue. We're going to think about how a firm really thinks about this process, because the firm can see a price, but then the firm has to figure out, well, I really care about residuals, that is what we call profits. I'm going to get some revenue, but I also have costs. Costs are real things. You have to engage inputs. You have to buy inputs to make outputs. And inputs cost a lot of money. That's where costs come from. And so the firm, the person running the firm, is going to balance the inputs that come in and the outputs that they can put on the market with what consumers will really pay for it. And the end result is going to be an allocation.